Now in this video, what I'm gonna show you now is to demonstrate how we can disable or enable some features in data tables, and we can check it out from the examples index that we had here. The first example was the zero configuration, which we've just applied, and you can see this is similar to what we have in here. So in this other example, I'd like to show you how we can disable some features, which is a feature enable stroke disable. So in this here in this example, you can see that they've disabled the paginating feature, and here is the HTML remains the same, but the JavaScript, you can see here is the jQuery has been modified, or JavaScript has been modified. So what we're going to do, I'm going to demonstrate the same thing. So let's grab all this stuff. Let me just bring up NetBeans and show you where the difference with what we are having. So here is the main.js file, which contains our JavaScript. You can see here that the constructor here carries some options in form of a JavaScript object with fields like paging, ordering, and info. So here you can also add the same by adding an anonymous JavaScript object there, and then you add those fields like paging, which is in quotes. So you can say paging false, and I'll just demonstrate only that one. Sorry, that's supposed to be no, I don't need to add a comma. I can just simply say paging false, and then that will disable the pagination. So if we go over to the web page and then we refresh, you can see that the pagination has been disabled, and then we are no longer able to move to the next page. As a matter of fact, all the records are being displayed in the same page, like one single page. But however, our sorting is still working, and our searching is still working. So so that's it with disabling some features like pagination. Let's take a look at some other features that we may be able to toggle or enable or disable. You can disable the info if you don't want this info. The info is actually what we are having here, show 1 to 57 of 57 entries. That's the info we are having. So you can disable that if you don't want to show that. So so we go back to NetBeans, and then we are gonna say info is false. Okay, and again when we come over and then refresh, you see that the info was gone. We don't have any, how many entries that we have again. So then I think the ordering has to do with the sorting. So if you want to turn off sorting, you simply say ordering false. However, for now we can still sort. Only info and pagination was disabled. So if we add a comma there and then add ordering to be false, always note that the last field shouldn't have a comma. Okay, other subsequent other fields before it should have. So if we go over, I've saved it. Go over and refresh. You see that there will be no more sorting. All records it's almost like a normal traditional HTML table, and that's ugly. But sometimes that some people may want some particular features and they may not want some particular features. So this enables you to understand that there are some the capabilities of data tables allows you to be able to turn on or off some particular features that you may or may not want. So that's it with turning on and off features. I'm gonna stop there for now in this video, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to resize this table to whichever way you want. So I hope you found this informative, and thanks for viewing.